Hello, welcome to Tao Energy Movement. My name is Isla, and today we are going to practice the Bija sound SHRIM. SHRIM is the mantra for love, devotion, and beauty, connecting us to Lakshmi, the goddess of beauty and divine grace. SHRIM not only gives us good things in life, like health, it also takes us to the heart and gives us faith and steadiness to our emotional nature. Please bring your attention and your mind to the left side of your body, the lunar energy. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale deeply to connect. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale to begin. SHRIM. Inhale, suspend the breath. Exhale, feel the vibration. Inhale, neutralize the vibration. Inhale, Become present to the vibration. Very good job. Thank you for joining us today. If you would like to join our free conference calls on Tuesday at 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, please give me a call at 206-465-4430, or you can email me through taoenergymovement.com, and I will put you on that list. Till then, have a blessed day and enjoy. Mahalo.